WCIA3 News.
ComEd cops to corruption. Could a federal bribery case bring down the longest standing speaker in U.S. history? Next on WCIA.
Beating the heat is going to be a goal for many this weekend, but there are some ways you can find relief you might not have thought of. And some conferences are canceling tackle football this year, so one group is looking at an alternative instead.
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6.
ComEd admitted that its efforts to influence and reward public official aid began in or around 2011.
Public official A is House Speaker Michael Madigan, and the state's largest power company is admitting to a bribery scheme to pay off the speaker's friends. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The swirling corruption scandal escalated today when federal prosecutors announced they reached a deal with Commonwealth Edison. The company will pay $200 million in fines and avoid criminal charges. But as our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell reports, the company has agreed to cooperate in the ongoing criminal investigation into Speaker Madigan.
Public official A controlled what measures were called for a vote in the Illinois House of Representatives.
That description only fits one person, Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan. Friday afternoon, federal prosecutor John Lausch described an insider deal between Illinois' biggest power brokers and biggest power company.
ComEd admitted that it arranged for jobs and vendor subcontracts for public officials A's political allies and workers, and that those people performed little to no work that they were purportedly hired to perform. ComEd also acknowledged that he made these payments to these political associates and workers in order to influence and reward public official A's efforts to assist ComEd with legislation.
If these allegations of wrongdoing by the Speaker are true, there is no question that he will have betrayed the public trust, and he must resign, therefore.
We asked Speaker Madigan if those accusations were true back in October of 2019.
Mr. Speaker, so we're going to recommend anyone to work for ComEd or anyone. Do you ever refer someone? No.
Now, the spokesperson appears to walk back, issuing a more specific statement saying, quote, the Speaker has never helped someone find a job with the expectation that the person would not be asked to perform work by their employer, adding he has never made a legislative decision with improper motives and has engaged in no wrongdoing here. Former federal prosecutor and legal analyst Renato Mariotti says just because ComEd won't face criminal charges doesn't mean their former employees won't.
Everyone else is fair game. So potentially ComEd senior staff, presumably they have their own attorneys and they're concerned about being charged. What isn't clear, of course, is whether there's sufficient evidence to charge Speaker Madigan.
Now, Speaker Madigan faces mounting calls to step down, including from House Republican leader Jim Durkin and Senate Democrat Melinda Bush. But he didn't become the longest tenured speaker in American history by bowing to the first signs of pressure. There's no indication that the man known as the Velvet Hammer intends to hand over his gavel anytime soon. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell.
We now have obtained a copy of the federal subpoena submitted to Madigan's office. There is more information inside. It's up now on our website where you can read it all at WCIA.com.